All right, check it out. So this may be a known thing already, but it's fantastic and I thought I'd share it with you. So I've got these legs. I have this profile with this gradual sweep here, right? And of course this down here at the bottom. Overall, they're about 2 7/8 wide. If I include this part, and then it's going to get cut smaller at the top. So I've made this little template or window. And with that, I was able to pick grain on some of this walnut to accentuate that sweep. So if I put this in place here, you can see this grain is following this natural sweep, and that's going to make that look so much better than if I just cut that haphazardly, right? Here's another one. This one would go like this. Boom, beautiful, right? All of these, you can see how that grain will accentuate that beautiful sweeping curve. I had started to pick some pieces out of this one, but I wasn't able to get 4, only 3. So I found a different board and super happy with that. All right, so this is what I used to make that beautiful gradual sweep to begin with. You can see how that fits, right? And it's just a simple piece of plastic with a string on both ends and this piece of wood that has a hole going all the way through it for this part of the string, and then it's tied off here. And so by sliding that, it binds. There we go. And it holds that shape or that curve. Fair curve, we could call it, right? So yeah, fantastic. So here again, I need 4 pieces of wood. I need straight grain. And so I'm looking at this so I can use this window and I can place this where I like it and then mark that out. It's a lot easier than trying to visualize that shape. Just make yourself a window with some cardboard. Works fantastic. Yeah. All right. So I actually found another board that I like even better than this. I just need some thin 1/4-inch strips, but it needs to be really straight grain. And this is a really good example. So this has really straight grain, but it's running off at an angle. And so I can take this cardboard with this window. I started to do it here, but I thought I'd show this on video. I can put it in place. I only need about, 1.25 inches, 32 millimeters, whatever that is. So I can put this in place and then I can mark that, right? I like using these white chalk pencils for walnut. And now that grain is parallel with the edge of my pieces, and I can take this over to the bandsaw and make those cuts. So yeah, fantastic little trick with these windows. You can find lots of similar woodworking tips in my new ebook, Tricks of the Trade Volume 1, available off my website. Loads of information with accompanying videos. Thanks a ton for watching. Ciao.